Hi, I'm Jose with Garage Gurus, and today I want to talk to you about Beck Arnley's direct fuel injectors. A common trend in the automotive industry is that manufacturers use different injectors within the same engine family. For example, I have a Beck Arnley injector from a 2019 Corolla. When looking for a replacement, we found 8 different options, each identified by a unique number. During my research, I discovered a significant issue. Local parts stores typically offer either remanufactured or universal injectors. If the spray pattern of these injectors is too wide or poorly directed, fuel can hit the piston or cylinder walls, leading to increased emissions and oil dilution. Incorrect spray patterns may also fail to atomize the fuel properly, creating rich or lean pockets that hinder clean combustion. This can result in reduced efficiency, causing misfires and potentially triggering the check engine light. The Beck Arnley injector is designed to match the original equipment in fit, form, and function. And the injector also has all the hardware, all the seals pre-installed, saving you time for installation. So be careful out there when looking for a direct fuel injector replacement. I'm Jose with Garage Gurus. For more information on Beck Arnley products, please go to beckarnley.com.